Conversation between two friends after a long time.
Hello, Rashid. Oh, hi, Foyez. How are you? I am doing good. What about you? I am fine too. It's been a long time we have met. So where are you working right now? Asterisk, I am working at the Samsung company. Oh, really? That's a great company. What is your post there? I am working as a software engineer. That's really nice to hear. Thanks, Foyez. So what are you up to nowadays? I am a travel blogger. I used to travel to different places and explore different cultures and varieties of food to write it in my blog. I would like to ask you also to follow my blog. Sure, Foyez. I will certainly follow it. You are doing a great job by letting people know about different parts of the world. Thanks, Rashid. Hey, why don't you join me and my family for tomorrow's lunch? They will also be happy to see you. Actually, that's a great idea. I would love to meet them. So it's decided. You will come to our place tomorrow at 1 p.m. We'll see you then. Okay, Rashid. See you tomorrow then. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.